Subscribe to Tech Talks and hit the bell icon to get notifications about coolest and latest engineering technology in the first place. So today we will learn about EMF equation of a transformer. So you can see a sine wave. So this is the total time period and this is 1/4 of the time period. The maximum value is 5m. So for EMF equation, let us consider the number of primary turns equal to n1, number of secondary turns equal to n2, maximum flux in core that is equal to 5m expressed in Weber. The supply frequency, let it be F expressed in Hertz. So the average rate of change of flux is phi m, and this phi m, it is been achieved in T/4 time period, that is time period by 4. So it will be 1 by 4f, where f is 1 by t. Okay, so the induced EMF per turn, that will be what? That will be 4f phi m, right? Now the form factor for sine wave, that is equal to RMS by average, is 1.11. So the RMS value of EMF per turn, that will be equal to 4 into 1.11 f phi m, that is 4.44 f phi m. Now the RMS value of induced EMF in primary, this will be equal to what? This will be equal to 4.44 f phi m into n1. Now this phi m, this can be written as bm into a, area of the core, that is 4.44 f n1 bm into a, area of the core. Similarly, the RMS value of induced EMF in secondary, it can be written as 4.44 f n2 bm into a. Now the EMF per turn is same for both primary and secondary winding. So for an ideal transformer at no load, condition, the voltage, terminal voltage, is equal to E1 and is E2 is equal to V2. Okay. Comment below about how you like this video. Check out the links in the description box about more such videos. Do click the like button if you like the video. If you are new to this channel, subscribe Tech Talks and don't forget to hit the bell icon.